Preparations before installation. Now let's connect the voltage incoming line of energy meter. The downstream port 11U1 of the energy meter is the live incoming line, and port 14UN is the neutral incoming line. Now we connect the ports of the live wire and neutral wire. After the connection is complete, insert the lower part into the energy meter. Now let's connect the upper part of ADW310 on S485 communication. 21 on the energy meter is a 1 incoming line, 22 is B1 incoming line. Connect the 21 and 22 ports. Insert the upper part into the meter. Then complete the connection of the communication line. Now let's connect the antenna part. Turn on the switch. The meter will display